Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download your own video. So if you have deleted it in your device or you just need to keep a copy somewhere else, this is how to do it. So you want to go to your channel, click on the picture icon on your channel and choose YouTube Studio. It's going to be below purchases and membership. And this is the updated 2021. If you're watching a 2020 version, the icons have been rearranged. So this is updated 2021. So, okay, so you want to click on YouTube Studio. And this will take you over here. And you want to go to the left side. You want to choose content. It's going to be below dashboard. So if you click on this, it should bring all the videos that you have. So I am going to scroll down. I'm looking for a video that I recorded 2019. So I think it's going to be about, let's see here, 2019. So let's keep scrolling. It should be the next page, I believe, for me, or maybe the next page. It shouldn't be long. Actually, it's on this page. Okay, so this is the video that I'm looking for over here. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on this box here, it gives you these options. It highlights these options. You want to click on more actions. More actions will bring two options: delete forever, no. You want to download, click on download, and that should download to your device. So for my device, it's going to go under downloads, and I should see it here. There it is. Here's the video that I'm looking for. So that's how to do it, guys. Please make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. I will talk to you soon.